Hi there, thank you so much for joining me today for this ballet-inspired ab workout. Today's ab workout will be 10 minutes in length, consisting of Tabatas with 30 seconds on and 10 seconds of rest. So let's get started in a low plank on our elbows, just tapping our toes from side to side for 30 seconds. Let's get started. Keep your core strong, try not to move your butt as much as possible, and keep your shoulders on top of your elbows. And finishing in 2, 1, take a 10-second breather and let's get into a pike position for the next exercise. Also known as our puppy dog pose, similarly to our downward facing dog, just on our elbows. As we inhale, we're going to reach our foot up to the ceiling. Exhale, knee goes to our chest. Inhale, our foot goes back up. Exhale, knee goes to our chest. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale up. Last one. Exhale, knee to chest. Let's switch sides after this. So we do 15 seconds on both sides, switching legs. Finishing up this last one in 3, 2, 1. Take a 10-second breather to get ready to be seated in a boat pose for the next exercise. We are simply just holding our boat pose for 30 seconds. Let's get started now. Sitting halfway back, legs up, just like you're sitting on a chair. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Relax. Go all the way down on your back for the next one. Feel free to take your hands underneath your low back to protect your spine. And we're just going to beat our legs all the way down and all the way up as we exhale. Cross your heels in front of one another and bring it back up. Let's do 25 more seconds. Finishing this last one in 3, 2, 1. Relax. We're going to go back up to a boat pose, but on our elbows. So sit halfway back, place your elbows on the floor, extend your legs high above you, hip level. And a couple of variations here. You can either take your leg all the way down, back in and up, or just simply take your legs a little bit further and just bend your toe to your knee. So take either one of the two variations. Finishing in 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We are staying in this pose for the next one, so you might want to just keep your elbows propped up where they are, and we're going to take our legs 45 degrees straight out in front of us, and we're just going to tap one toe down to the floor, bring it back up, and tap the other toe down to the floor. For an extra challenge, feel free to use no hands here, or keep your legs turned out like I am here to work your inner thighs as well. And finishing this last one in 3, 2, 1. Awesome work. Grab some water if you need to, and let's get ready on a high plank for the last set of exercises for the first half of this workout. We are doing 2 plank jacks and 2 mountain climbers. Let's get started. Finishing in 3, 2, 1, relax. Take an extra break here. We're going to be getting ready for the second half of this abdominal workout. You can either stop it here if this is enough for today, or continue with me for the second half. Be sure to always stay hydrated, and let's get started on one arm for a single arm plank or a side plank. We're just going to tap our hips down to the floor and back up for 30 seconds on one side. Challenging those obliques. If you feel like it, you can take your hand off of your other waist and reach it high to the ceiling. Keep your gaze stagnant as you don't want to fall over. Finishing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's switch sides through a high elbow plank. We're going to go to the second side, so go ahead and switch around. We're going to be tapping our hips down to the floor and back up. Let's get started. 30 seconds on. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Take a breather. We're going to be lying on our backs for the next one. So get set up, get ready, keeping our toes together in a butterfly. We're going to take our hands behind our head. On the exhale, our elbows touch our knees, and on the inhale, our toes touch the floor as well as the back of our head. Let's get started. Exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale, back down. Exhale, elbows to knees. Inhale, back down. For a challenge, try to lift your bum off the floor. And relax. Last one there. Take a breather. We're going to be lifting our butterfly off the floor. Thread your hands between your legs with your shoulders high off the floor. And we're going to pulse through for 1 and 2, 30 more seconds. Let's go. And finishing these in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax all the way down. Give yourself a hug. Turn your head side to side to release your neck if you need. For the very last one today, a couple of variations here. Either keeping your head on the floor, flex one heel down, bring it back up, flex the other heel down, bring it back up, or place your hands parallel to the floor beside your bum and keep your head and shoulders off the floor, looking towards your knees, flexing one heel down and pointing it back up. Flex one down and back up. Keep going, almost there. Now we've actually got 2 more after this, so relax now. Let's go into our Pilates 100s for a further challenge straight from here. No break. Pilates 100s for 30 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Now, very last one is super challenging, but I know you can do it. Inhale, your hands and feet reach away. Exhale, your heads go around your seat. You raise your seat off the floor. Inhale, hands reach away. Exhale, touch your fingers behind your legs. Keep going. We're almost there today. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing work today. Don't forget to give your head a shake side to side to release your head and neck. Roll out your ankles. Don't forget to stretch afterwards. I'll put a link in the description down below of a little cool down stretch you can follow along to. I'll also put a link in the cards up above here. I hope you enjoyed this workout today. Let me know what you think in the comments down below of what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now.